Do you know that pricing can make or break sales? Research also shows that using dynamic pricing can boost revenue by up to 25% and improve inventory turnover by 20%. Plus, more than half of the shoppers consider price the most important factor while deciding what to buy. So, it's a really crucial for businesses to adapt their pricing strategies quickly. However, many businesses are still stuck in the past with traditional pricing methods. They face challenges like unpredictable demand, constant competition, and changing seasons that affect customer behavior. On top of that, it can be tough to keep pricing consistent across different channels. And let's not forget about the limitations of traditional systems when it comes to real time data analysis. This can lead to missed opportunities. So here's where Akira AI comes in. Akira AI's agentic platform launched AI agents as droids and AI teammates for dynamic pricing, which is a cutting-edge system tailored to retail and consumer industry. These smart agents use real-time data and advanced analytics to create effective pricing strategy. Let's first discuss the key challenges organizations face in pricing strategies. First, fluctuating demand can make pricing decisions uncertain. Companies often scramble to adjust prices, which risk potential losses. Further, competitive pressure means businesses must constantly adjust their pricing to stay relevant, which is further a continuous challenge to remain appealing in a crowded market. Seasonal trends add another layer of complexity. Organizations must adapt their pricing strategies to align with changing customer behavior throughout the year. And managing consistent pricing across various sales channels is also tough, especially as consumers expect fairness in pricing regardless of where they shop. Lastly, traditional systems often struggle with real-time data analysis, leading to inefficiencies and missed opportunities. Akira AI's dynamic pricing agents provides a powerful solution to address these challenges. These agents deliver accurate, dynamic pricing decisions based on market condition, customer behavior, and business goals. The AI agent, as market analyst, evaluate competitor prices and demand signals, while the AI agent, as demand forecaster, predicts purchasing patterns to optimize inventory pricing. The AI agent for personalization boosts customer engagement with tailored pricing based on the individual preferences and loyalty status. The AI agent for optimization ensures pricing aligned with profitability goals and consistency across channels. To ensure compliance, the AI agent for compliance reviews adjustments, mitigating the risk of penalties. Lastly, the AI agent as analyst gathers performance insights to refine pricing strategies. By using Akira AI's dynamic pricing solutions, businesses can enjoy measurable benefits. It increased their revenue by as much as 25% with smarter pricing. It also helps to boost repeat purchases by 15% through personalized pricing strategies and cut down manual pricing errors by up to 80%. It also helps to respond to market change, which is 50% faster with real time adjustments. Now, let's see the live demo in action.
Dynamic pricing can be strategic yet tiring for businesses to manage. Let's see a demo where Akira AI's dynamic pricing agents simplify this process. A person logs in, browses the store, and adds a black sweatshirt to their cart. The personalization agent steps in, analyzing their preferences and premium member status to suggest complementary items like a blue flower print crop top and a lavender hoodie. Exclusive discounts, such as $9 off the crop top and $20 off the hoodie, are highlighted to create a personalized shopping experience. The market analyst agent ensures competitive pricing by analyzing demand and competitor trends, while the optimization agent aligns discounts with profitability goals, encouraging them to explore these tailored offers. Finally, the compliance agent reviews all adjustments, ensuring they meet guidelines, delivering a seamless, strategic, and customer-focused shopping journey. This concludes our demo. To transform your business with the power of Akira AI's multi-agent systems, visit our website and discover how, with agentic AI, you can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.